how to make a troll hunter's red amulet. First, you have to cut around a big circle or a little one the size of your hand, like this. And second, you can just get silver or black to go around it like this. And when you've finished and done that, you can get a blue one, and then colour the middle. When you're finished with the grey, you can colour in the middle. And then when you're finished with that, I'm going to do red or blue to go in the middle of your amulet. And then when you've finished it, when you've finished it like this, you can close your pen, black or silver, and then you can get your blue or red, and then you can just colour the middle with blue or red. You can do anything you want, and then black can go into the middle of the silver when you're finished with that one. Mine is going to be red, and so when I finished with all of this, the back has to be silver and 6 lines and a circle in the middle. A circle and then 6 lines in the middle. So when you've finished all of this, you can do the back. So when you've finished, like I said, you can go to the back. And then after you've done the back, you can put it in a box or a tub. When you've done the back and the middle, the back and the front. And when you're finished with all of that, you're going to put it on a tub or a box like I've done over there. And that's for now. Bye.